this is Chelsea. This is my screencast for how I changed my Scratch project. So you can see this is a new background. One of the problems was if you start this, it used to show up that you would have to answer the question, but this box didn't show up. So now it does. And say I don't know the answer to this question. I don't know what a griffin is for some reason. So I think this answer is kitten. Type that in. And then it would come up with this hint, which we didn't have before because it was just you either knew the answer was griffin or you didn't. So that kind of excluded some people that wouldn't know what a griffin was. So now it comes up with this hint and it says, what is the title of this project? Oh, so the answer is griffin. Click enter. And then, were you thinking about a griffin? No. And then it comes up with this little smart aleck remark. And then it says, just say yes. So, yes. And then it goes through. And then this is the little hit to William and Mary because this griffin is uglier than the Seton Hill griffin. But if you click on this one, you think this is a griffin. It tells you that it's not, obviously. So if you hit on this griffin, which is obviously the right one because it's from Seton Hill, it'll take you through the pages. And then behold the griffin. So the ending is still the same. And then I added this credits page. So if people were interested in this project and they saw it on a Scratch site or somewhere, then they could be like, what is Behold the Griffin? And they would go to this website and then since I'm all about Seton Hill right there. And then my blog. So if they wanted to look up other stuff that it's about. But really, I just changed the beginning where you can type it in, where you can see over here if the answer is certain things, it goes to these things. If the answer is wrong, then it goes to the hint down here. Is the other things, like if they get the answer right, and then if they say no, that kind of thing. And then they both just switch you to the rest of the screen. So those are the changes that I made, since really the only problem with the project was that you couldn't see the answer, but now you can when it shows up in the question box.